Welcome to my home. Are you ready to learn all my secrets of how to talk to animals?
Nick, come here.
Well,
Nick.
I will teach you how to.
Cinda says you suck.
I quit.
Now Cinda, you be a good girl and stop biting those cats. Okay, be a good girl.
Excuse me? Hello? Is Moonboy here?
No, she's out for the day.
Well, may you help me?
I might be able to.
Can you tell me what my cat will eat?
Who's your cat?
Yum yum.
Can I talk to him?
Sure. I mean, this is my cat. He's a very fat cat. It's like 40 pounds.
Hi, Yum Yum. Yum Yum, how's it going? Oh, I understand. Can you tell me why you won't eat? Okay, I'll tell him. Yum Yum says he comes from a royal cat family and will not eat the dry cat food they put up for him. He says it's garbage. He wants top of the line wet food.
Oh, gosh. I can't afford it.
What's that? Well then, Yum Yum says you can't afford him. Good day.
Well, may I?
I said good day.
How was my apprentice?
A royal cat came by today.
Oh, was it Sir Yum Yum?
Yes. How did you know?
Well, Nick here hears a lot of things.
Ah, I see.
What was that, Nick? Oh, that's funny. That gentleman that brought in Sir Yum Yum, he's being sued for all the wet cat food in the world.
Wow. Now, Cinda, don't pee on the floor.
I'm Melina.
I'm Brian.
And I'm George.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
That's not your costume.
Why? What do you mean?
Hmm?
It's my costume. What do you mean?
The wig, I'm missing the wig. You idiot.
Now. Hey! Cut! Sup, y'all? I do a better person at this. Yup, I got my hat,
Put your weight mask on too.
got my wig,
Melina, let's see.
got my eyes.
Let's see.
Oh! Costume stealer.
I'm costume stealer. Bang.
Cinda says you suck.
Where was the dog? You were supposed to have the dog.
I just got done talking to the dog, man.
No, you were supposed to have the dog.
No, I just got done talking to the dog.
And cut. Hello.
Hello.
You were supposed to say something.
I
No.
just get done talking to the dog and you say, excuse me.
Oh, sorry. I forgot about that.
Ready, and...
Cut, please.
Hi, Yum Yum. How are you? I'm sorry. Can you tell me why you won't eat?
And cut.